Hello, in this question, the situation is something like this. This is the cable having tension T1. This is cable having tension T2. This angle is known to us, that is 36.4 degrees. This is the mass M, and the value of M is what, 34 kilogram. That means 340 newtons acts downwards. Alright. So if I take the component of this T2, so this would be T2 cos 36.4 degree, and this would be T2 sine 36.4 degrees. So if I balance the forces in the horizontal and vertical direction, I get T2 would be equal to 340 by sine